In this video, I want to show you how you can make gummy candy at home with simple ingredients, all natural and very easy to make. You can use any type of molds you like, and I wanted to use the Lego molds as they look really fun to play with as well and enjoy eating. You can use any type of fruit, but in this recipe I'm using strawberries and I need to make this into a fine puree. And I'm using a hand blender. The next step is optional, but I wanted to take the seeds out, so I'm using a strainer, but again you can leave the seeds in, it's not a problem. I added a little bit of water and in total I have 2 cups. And next you want to add the gelatin, or as a vegan option, agar-agar powder. Stir well until all the lumps are gone, and then you need to bring to a boil. Now you need to do this according to the package information you have for the gelatin you are using. But for agar powder, I just need to bring it to 95 degrees to kind of activate the ingredients, and so just before the boiling point. Lastly, I let it cool a little bit and I'm adding honey just to make it really nice and sweet, but you can also add other sweeteners like maple syrup or even sugar if you don't have anything else. Now the gummy candy is ready and you just need to pour it. If you don't have a mold, you can just use a tray with waxing paper and it will work perfectly. You just need to cut it at the end. But I'm using these molds and I'm just pouring them, and then I give it a shake at the end, and then I put it in the fridge for a couple of hours and then it's ready to eat. That is it for this recipe. Do let me know in the comments below what you think of these recipes, and if you did enjoy it, maybe you will like the other videos I made, so go check them out. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye!